The ZMISHIBO 72-inch large ceiling fan, with its sleek dual-color design in black and walnut, is a versatile and cost-effective solution for both low and high ceilings, replacing the need for multiple smaller fans. Equipped with 8 fan blades, it offers a blend of industrial and farmhouse styles, making it an ideal choice for your living room, garage, barn, or covered patio. The ceiling fan features a reversible 6-speed adjustable setting, allowing you to control your comfort throughout the year, with a handy remote control for gentle airflow, natural wind, or powerful wind. The included multifunction remote control simplifies your life by offering the ability to adjust the fan and 15-watt LED light settings, select the ideal fan speed, and even set a timer. The fan operates on a silent and energy-efficient DC motor, emitting a soft hum like fluttering butterfly wings, providing 65% more energy efficiency compared to traditional AC motors. ZMISHIBO offers outstanding customer support backing this LED ceiling fan with clear installation instructions and a 2-year warranty.